What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm out in the garage and we are going to be working on our 1999 Mustang GT. Now it's really tough to believe that these 94 to 2004 cars are getting, well, they're getting old. I mean, you're talking about some of them being over 30 years old. And with age comes some parts that wear down. And what we're going to do is we're going to replace something that is a nuisance and a safety hazard in the 1999 GT. We're going to replace the trunk struts. Now, we've already done the trunk struts probably about a year or two ago on my 2004 Cobra. So let's take a look at what we're working with. So here is our 1999 Mustang GT wearing its OEM Ford trunk struts. We're gonna lift this up. It takes a good amount of force. Now, if I let go of it from this part here, it's going to drop. It does not want to hold itself up. Thankfully, when you put it all the way up, it will stay up, which is great. However, any type of past the point of return and it will come crashing down. So now we're going to take a look at the 2004 Cobra, which, as I said, got a new set of trunk struts maybe a year or two ago. We're going to use one finger on it, gently lift, goes right up. Beautiful. Even if you give it a little bit push down, it still returns to the up position. It's strong, it's sturdy, just like it was, I guess, when it was brand new. But these are, like I said, these have been replaced. So what we're going to do is we're going to give the same treatment to the Mustang GT as we did on the Cobra by replacing the trunk struts. Now, just to explain how these work, there is a small clip right here that has to be pulled out, and then you can remove this from kind of a ball stud. And the other side is exactly the same, although it is opposite. They're not very difficult to get to, but what we have to do is we have to brace the trunk because I don't want it falling down on my head or on my hands. But we're going to do that really quick and make sure all is safe. So as you can see, I made a kind of a support out of ratchet extensions. Nothing too crazy because, I mean, this really shouldn't fall down much, if at all. But we did that. We covered it with a soft towel, a terry cloth towel at the top, so we don't scratch anything. What we're going to do is we're going to use one of these picks here to pry out the clip and hopefully get this one out. There we go. Typically, it doesn't require much force at all. The top is off. And there's the bottom. That's it. Here on the workbench, this is the replacement. You can see it is the exact same length. The original one, though, I can actually push it in pretty easy, which is not the same as this one. So this is using the exact same clips. What we're going to do is we're going to pop this one on and yeah, move on to the other side. The great thing about installing this is that you don't have to remove the clip or loosen the clip to pop it on. You just push it right on and it's engaged. So now we can remove our support and go on to the other side. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's put it down. Okay, didn't want to slam it. It's going up, good. Excellent, now let's give it a close. Good, let's pop it. Let's see if it goes up. Oh yeah, there it goes. Much better, so you no longer have to kill yourself opening up your trunk. Also, if you bring it down, she will still pop right up. So there you have it. The struts are now replaced. The trunk goes up really nice and smooth, similar to the ones that are on the Cobra now. And honestly, it didn't take a lot of time. It honestly would take you about 5 minutes to do both sides. Just be careful. You're going to need some type of a pick or some type of a regular screwdriver, a small regular screwdriver, and you can get this done relatively quickly. The parts I used for the GT, they cost me about $20 as opposed to the ones that are on the Cobra. Those are about $40, but I will leave a link in the description below for both of them where you can buy either of them. But I'm going to be honest with you, being twice the price, yes, they are definitely stronger. Yes, they definitely go up quicker on this one. But these are just fine, and you can absolutely make do. And like I said, it's a pleasure to open up the trunk now. You don't have to really wrestle it up, and it's safer, so it won't fall on your head. If you have any questions, do me a favor, put them down in the comment section down below, and I'll do my very best to answer them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.